how to link PlayStation Network with Rockstar Social Club account. So, if you want to link your PlayStation Network with your Rockstar Social Club account, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Rockstar application or the Social Club account. Make sure you log into that. So, enter your email and your password and then go with sign in. Now, once you've signed into your account, what you need to do is just simply go with the settings option, which is on the upper right. You may have the link account option right here, but if you don't have it, then you can go with the profile, which is on the upper right, and go with manage account. And after that, your browser will pop up. So just wait for a few seconds. And you might need to sign into your account. And after that, it will take you to the settings page of the Rockstar Games launcher. So what you can do is simply go with the linked accounts, which is on the upper right. Click on the option, and here you will have the PlayStation Network. You can simply click on link account, and you just need to simply go and sign into your PlayStation. And after that, your PlayStation Network will be linked to your Rockstar Social Network. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.